Hi, this is Brian Bachman with MarineMax Clearwater, and today we have a walkthrough video on a beautiful light blue 2019 Boston Whaler 230 Vantage. This boat is powered by a white 300 horsepower Mercury Verado 4-stroke outboard. Phenomenal performance and extremely quiet operation. Starboard side, swim platform, we do have a pull-out derelict boarding ladder. This boat does have the fishing package, so we have additional rod holders on the transom, as well as the starboard and port side gunnels. Moving into the cockpit, we'll see it is very nice and spacious with a starboard side sink removable Yeti cooler, uniquely configurable passenger seating on the port side, which we'll view in a minute. So focusing on the cockpit, we'll see one of the features Whaler does so well is their integrated seating that's engineered right into the boat. So wide open cockpit for a day of fishing or additional space once you get to your destination. But if you're ready for a ride home, comfortable seat, simply just pull it out. And a very large and comfortable seat. Moving back to the passenger seating, we do have a live well under the seat, and our backrest does move fore and aft, so we have a aft facing lounger position, a little more real estate. Drop it all the way down and you can flip up the back for a forward facing lounger. Very nice feature from Whaler. Over on the port side, we do have the very large head. So very easy to access. We do have a pump out head, as well as an integrated sink. Moving over to the helm on the starboard side, very comfortable captain's chair, flip up bolster. This does adjust fore and aft and up and down. This boat already is equipped with the Axiom Pro 12-inch by Ray Marine, so multifunction display with chart plotter and echo sounder, fusion stereo, JL audio speakers. This does have the integrated, or the upgraded system rather, with the additional amp and sub. Plenty of storage under your helm. We do have a bucket trash receptacle, close off the bow door for inclement weather. Storage under all the seats forward. We do have a table that can go in the bow or aft as well. Very comfortable wraparound bolsters for your seating. And we do have another freshwater washdown up on the bow. And very nice anchor storage. If you'd like more information about this boat or any others, please feel free to give me a call. Again, this is Brian Bachman at MarineMax Clearwater. I can be reached at 813-503-2649. So give us a call, come on down and see this boat in person, or set up a demo and get on the water today. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you soon.